Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Yesterday, my call on Bitcoin was perfect. Bitcoin came down, activated the trade exactly, and then bounced massively. I'm going to show you in this video. We're going to go into technicals for Bitcoin. We're going to look at Bitcoin trades. We're going to look at my account, which hit a new all-time high yesterday, 632,000, up from 150,000 US dollars, which you've been watching the journey on this YouTube channel for the last, I think it was at 150K 6 months ago. So quick gains from 150K to 630K, which is beautiful. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals, and you can see Bitcoin here pulled back to yesterday's trade activation, perfectly touched it, bounced. Look at this. This was yesterday. Bitcoin was up here. I set the trade down here. It came down, literally touched the line. Bitcoin, I had the trade open at 50,795. Bitcoin came down to 50,725. So $72 difference. Activated the trade and then bounced $1,700, which is beautiful. Hit the top of my white resistance line and got rejected to the dollar. Look at that. I'm the world's best trader, everyone. And this was yesterday's video. This was 23 hours ago. That's a bull flag. Where I'll take a long on Bitcoin is in case it pulls back to the bottom of the flag before pumping out here. Tight stop loss. And take profit 61K. And that played out beautifully. Congratulations everyone who took that trade. Amazing. Still in a bull flag. Let's go into the longer term time frames. Always start at the longer term time frames as I teach you in the crypto course. First thing we look at, and the main thing, volume predicts price, and volume is growing on Bitcoin. Second thing we look at, the trend is your friend, and Bitcoin is trending up and the volume is trending up, which is beautiful. That's on the monthly. Huge volume last month, one of the bigger volumes, which is still growing. On the weekly, same thing. Stochastic heading up, volume still growing. We're in the second to third impulse wave. Big Crypto Guru Bot, which you get in the Crypto Master course, fired a blue buy back on February 2023, and it's still blue buy now, hasn't fired red sell. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell at 48, did not yet fire a buy on the ETF announcement. You get these bots in the course, Crypto Master course. Bitcoin yesterday pumping out of the trend line on the daily charts. You can see Bitcoin was in this channel for a long time. Bounced, second to third impulse wave is in effect, and yesterday we got this breakout. We've got a bull flag here that I'm seeing. When we zoom in closer, you can see this clear bull flag with a massive pole. Usually Bitcoin moves the distance of the bull flag, which would be this distance here, and if that moves happens, it's going to take us to 61K. Yesterday's trade pulled back, hit, activated the trade perfectly, bounced, and then came back and hit resistance and bounced. Where would I open a trade now on Bitcoin? Made a higher low. Cool. I would open a trade on Bitcoin from this support area here. Tight stop again, because I don't think, even if it does pull back, I think we're most likely going to get a launch out of this bull flag, and Bitcoin's going to go in the next move to the next 61K. And if you remember, I was telling you about 61. Who remembers? Comment down below in the description, in the comment section. Who remembers when I was saying my 61K target on Bitcoin back at 30K, which people thought I was crazy or that it wouldn't happen, and here we are, which is beautiful. That's the Bitcoin trade I would take, opening at 51,438, stop loss 51,102, and take profit 61K. Risk to reward is 29 times, risking $335 to make $9,800 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, $98,000, 100x leverage, $980,000. And again, the trade opens 51,438, stop loss 51,100. And you can see my Bitcoin trade, currently $98,853 in the profits, 800% profit on my Bitcoin trade, which is beautiful. $98,700, and I've already taken $10,400 and paid all the funding fees for this trade, which is almost a $300,000 trade, 6 Bitcoin trade that's been open for a very long time. 6 times 52. Yeah, more than $300,000 trade that's been open for a while. It cost me $12,000 to make this. This trade was $12,000, and now it's profited 108% $109,000 profit from $12,000. In this account, 620,000 US, 619,575 US dollars, up from $150,000. In the last 7 days, it went from 605,000 to 632,000, pulled back a little bit. Last 30 days, we went from 476,000 to 632 at the peak yesterday. So I made around $280,000 in the last 30 days, which is beautiful. In this account, I'm holding Bitcoin to Bitcoin 104,000, USDT 61,000, Doge 61,000, down 5%. Doge pulled back yesterday on that dump. Uniswap down 1.5%, 54,000. FXS down 2%, 53,000. MCRT down 5%, 43,000. Pocket 43,000, 8% pullback on the altcoins. Worldcoin 7% pullback. Sui holding back, big pullback on the altcoins, but my account's still pumping, still nearing all-time highs because of I'm mostly in Bitcoin. I've got this 6 Bitcoin trade and this 2 Bitcoin position, so it's about 104, 200, it's 619,000 in this account, but nearly 250,000 or 230,000 is just Bitcoin, which is beautiful. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you see me do, going underneath the video down below, go down underneath the video. One is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. 2 is the courses. You get all the bots and trading and teaching. It's 32 lessons in these courses. Crypto Master Course is the main one where you get the bots and indicator bots and you learn technical analysis. And 3, join us in Telegram, 9,000 of you trading together. Over on Twitter, you can follow me also on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. I have 83,200 followers in there. It went up 500 followers. It could be because you guys have helped me. I posted this highlight. I posted here. I'm the world's best trader and I have a shadow band stuck at around 80,000 subs for 2 years. No one has called tops of stocks and crypto markets or Bitcoin as much as me in the entire world. And you guys have been helping me on that tweet. 8,700 views and many people commenting. Thank you, James. It's true that you're a good one to follow. James is legit. Appreciate it. Thank you so much, everyone. And if you can help YouTube tag at Elon Musk, these kind of things, try to get the attention of Twitter or Elon Musk to get my account unshadow banned, which would be really, really beautiful if that happens. People calling me Nostradamus. This is crazy. Yesterday, there would have been a resolution today if it was not for the US ambassador putting up her hand up in the video. And the US did this 3 times now. She stopped an immediate ceasefire being ordered in Gaza. This is the 3rd time. Remember this every time the US administration says how concerned it is.
The US ambassador putting up her hand in veto. She stopped an immediate ceasefire being ordered in Gaza.
And I commented, disgusting warmongers. Somewhere I retweeted it, but I also commented, disgusting warmongers. If you're a US citizen, you should be feeling very ashamed with your government. And for me, it's like I think this is a world-changing moment, actually. 3 times the world has seen the US lie, say they're trying to stop war, say they're trying to bring about peace and a ceasefire, and then 3 times put up their hand and be the only country that vetoes a ceasefire. So the world is seeing truly what the USA is, this warmonger machine. And if you're a US citizen, your only way to stop these people, they're taking your money, they're taking your resources to go kill people on the other side of the world. The only way to stop this from happening is vote out any warmonger politicians. The only president in all your US history that didn't start a war was Donald Trump, and US population voted them out for an Alzheimer's patient, which I don't think was true. I think no one voted for that guy. But if you need to make this stop. If you're American, vote out any warmongering politician that you can. If they say that they want you to go to war, if they're nowhere near your border, why are you going to attack them? Vote peace, vote out any warmongers. If you follow me, if you've made money from me, I want you to be peaceful, help people, be peaceful to people, help anyone you see injured, help your brothers and sisters around the world. They're your little brothers and sisters. They're like, you're separated by a few different generations and genetics, but you're all related, you're all family, you're all one world, one family. So protect people, help people. If I've helped you make money, if you've invested or learned from me, I want you to give 10% of your earnings per day to charity, to people around you. Help people around you, help support people. Stop wars, stop any politician that comes into power that promises war, talks about war or promises to protect you and help you protect by removing your freedoms but helping you. That's bullshit. They're just gonna kill you if they're doing that. Anyone that promises to withdraw your freedoms on the guise of protecting you and your children is a lying politician. That's the Bitcoin trade. The market got Worldcoin bouncing back at 6. It found a Worldcoin. If you followed my buyers on Worldcoin, we hit a total pump was 217% move on this Worldcoin buy. If you followed my videos or posts, the volume is growing. This is the coin that was made by Sam Altman, the CEO of the founder of OpenAI, who's trying to raise 7 trillion right now and has one of the biggest companies in the world, OpenAI, bought by Microsoft. This is his token, Worldcoin. This is a giant. What is this? Everyone comment down below in the comment section. Whoever comments first, my team will try to reward you, so make sure you answer the comment. They're only going to reward the person directly on the comment. Answer what this is in the comment section, and my team will pick a winner. And if this plays out, holy shit for Worldcoin, everyone. If you're in Worldcoin, you need to pay attention to this pattern that's forming. $11 target would be incredible. We found one resistance. Now it marked the top at $7. We're buying this at $2.50, by the way. If anyone followed my buyers, it was at $2.50. And even a few days ago, even 4 days ago on Twitter, I'll show you. Even at 4 days ago on Twitter, telling people on Twitter, you're the best in this world, James, up 294% on this trade. I lost my YouTube channel telling people about this. Me too. I was getting shadow banned like crazy because I was warning people about COVID vaccines. Trade activated from Bitcoin video this morning. But I want to show you the Worldcoin buyers. You're the man, James, the Nostradamus. Thank you very much, Ben. I have to keep going back. $1 trillion was printed at the USDT Treasury. 1 billion US dollars minted at USDT Treasury, which means usually that money is coming into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping. Oh shit, Bitcoin. This is another bull flag that I spotted on Bitcoin, everyone. See? This is a giant bull flag. And I spotted another one before. Do you remember the bull flag that I spotted back in? Do you think Bitcoin bull flag will play it? Remember when I tweeted this on the 7th? In August 2023, and that bull flag was at 29k, and that played out beautifully if you followed those videos. There's a 333 MCRT competition going on. Check it out. Inverse head and shoulders, that person guessed it. I'm trying to find the Worldcoin buys. These are my tweets just from yesterday. I tweet a lot on Twitter or X or whatever you want to call it. I think a supply and demand crunch is about to happen with Bitcoin. Massive demand, little supply, now cut in half by the halving in less than 2 months. Somebody withdrew 18,000 Bitcoin from Coinbase, 930 million, and it's almost at all-time lows of Bitcoin on the exchange. Bitcoin holdings on Coinbase at the lowest level since 2015. We had 2.45 billion flow into Bitcoin ETFs last week. This is a very big deal. FTX found out that FTX was hacked for $400 million on the day of the crash, or just after the crash. I teach Lions Not Cheap. You can go follow on Twitter. I was trying to find this. Here, 4 days ago, volume on World growing, main target $6.10. This was at $3.80, $6.10. This was 4 days ago, and then Worldcoin just exploded out of that target from $4, but I actually called it at $2.50. If you remember from my video, my posts a while back, I'll try and find that. But this, I want you to not comment down below what you think this pattern is. That's a lot of information, everyone. Again, all the links underneath the video, the exchanges, only follow these links. My social links are only follow these social links in the descriptions. And I want to remind everyone, as the community is making more crazy gains, we're getting a lot of scammers pretending to be me, creating fake accounts with my photos and messaging you. I will never privately message you. I'll never ask you for money, and I'll never ask you to send me money, everyone. It's most likely a fake account, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Deleting these every single day. I saved a screenshot just to show you, but my team is constantly deleting this, so be very careful talking to me in DMs. Here you can see James Crypto Guru. We delete these accounts every day, and if you search again, you'll see on every social all these fake accounts. Anyone reading this, if you're speaking to me in private messages, it's 100% a fake scammer account and not me. I will never privately DM you or ask you to send me money, everyone. So be very, very careful responding to anyone with my photo in private messages. It's not me. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Congratulations again on Bitcoin, on Worldcoin. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.